Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 408 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so for me obviously the home screen is already open. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture exactly is visible on the screen. Once it is, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have this flash along with these three options on a pop-up with the share, delete, and what was the other one? Scroll, share, delete options. And obviously, as you just seen, it does disappear after a moment if you don't do anything with it. So once it does so, we can find that screenshot in your gallery application. Now it will be visible if you just captured it at the very top, but if you want to find one of your screenshots later on down the line, you can do so quickly by going into the albums and then locating an album called screenshots. And in here you'll obviously just find screenshots. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.